In this next little session here, we have 4 brief presentations relating to innovations in food waste and sustainable packaging. The first presenter is Eduard Alcordo, who will speak about his work in innovative packaging. Welcome to the stage, Eduard. While you're coming up, a quick introduction on Eduard's background. He's been a director of First Pacific Capital Underwriters since 1989. In 2021, he set up FP Paradigm with a focus on impact investing, partnering with the University of New South Wales in a breakthrough sustainable packaging initiative. Please welcome Eduard.
Thank you, Josh. I'd also like to acknowledge my colleague Quang Lee from the University of New South Wales. I'd like to thank the DPIRD for inviting us, particularly Phil May. Now, I think that the whole session has been very interesting and very much spot on where we need to be. So we spoke about, this morning we spoke about transparent plastic packaging and recycling. We spoke about food waste. We spoke about styrene. We spoke about greenwashing. And we spoke about economic sustainability. Now, at FP Paradigm, we have 8 breakthrough technologies that addresses all these issues. And what we want to do is we want to partner. We want you to partner with us. We want you to be our brand partner. What that means is that we just want information from your customers, and we will be sharing that information with you to bring us along the journey to actually transform the food and beverage market. So in 5 minutes, let me explain to you how. Firstly, so this is us. We are with Future Food Systems CRC at the University of New South Wales. We're with the University of New South Wales, and we've got an advanced finding with Oz Industry, who are also here. Our brand partners now are Arnott's, the biscuit manufacturer, and they're working with us with Tim Tam packets, the plastic part of the Tim Tam packets. Pablo and Rusty's, who are they're high-end coffee manufacturer, and they're working with us with their coffee cups and also the coffee packaging. Taka Industries, who are a thermophore packager in New South Wales, but we also have manufacturing partners here in WA, and Paco Industries. So I don't need to go and explain to you the problem of plastics, because you all know that. So only 18% of plastics are being recycled in Australia, only 1% more than once. And obviously, producers and manufacturers want to do something about this, and that's why they've approached us. We're not going to reach the 2025 packaging target, but more importantly, plastics or microplastics are now coming into the food stream, which is not very good in terms of Southeast Asia. So our technology looks at new plastic technology. We're looking at food waste management, and we're measuring consumer research, because we want to make sure that whatever technology we come up with is also economically sustainable. We've got an advanced finding from advancing this Oz Industry. It's 46 million for over 2 years, and it's about 23 million every year, which we get. Now, these are the technologies that we have. First is organic recycling technology. So we use organic solvents to recycle plastics, and we could recycle plastics infinite number of times, as opposed to the current technology, which uses heat and basically shortens the monomers. There are other technologies that use enzymes, but unfortunately, that's quite expensive, whereas our focus is the cheaper ones, which is basically food. A Tim Tam packet is about 5 cents. So that's what you're dealing with. In terms of biosynthesis, so we have a material, packaging material, that's actually made out of 100% biomass. And the other thing that we're doing is we're using carbon dioxide, and we could make ethylene, which is the building block for plastic and other materials, from carbon dioxide. So I brought this up because I can show you what we've done. So this is our plastic, which we could actually recycle infinitely, right? And this is our biomass material, which could substitute for styrene, but it's not styrene. Hang on. And the other thing we do is we have a life cycle index, so we make sure that there's no greenwashing. So each of our technology is going through the rigorous analysis of a life cycle index. And we're also doing product research, which Activity H. Activity H is using what we call a large-scale discrete choice model. And that's where Arnett and others come in. So we could tell you the probability of a certain demographic buying our material and how much they're going to pay for each particular characteristic. So the plan is, in the next few months, there will be something like 1 million Tim Tam packets per week, where you could score, you could do your now, in the next few minutes, that's just the recycle technology that we're doing. That's Activity A, and that's the Arnett packet, and that's our lab, that's our material, and that's the second one we spoke about. And we could use it for transparent, sustainable food, for biscuit, cakes, fruits, and we're looking for someone in the seafood, meat, coffee, beverages, coffee cups, and styrene replacement. These are our advantages. The most, I think we've been through the advantages now, but more importantly, our styrene is not banned. Market's quite big. That's where we are. We've got a little stand on the side, and if you're interested, come speak with us. Thank you very much.